Good morning, everyone. Monday, April 20th. It's good to see all of you. Thank you, those of you who have been working super hard. I know how hard it has been to adjust to this new system, but we'll get through it. We'll make some adjustments this week. But just wanted to come by, say hello, and do a little bit of feedback, a little different. I'm going to show you a one of the problems that you were supposed to work on last week or that you did work on. And I would like for you to go back just today, Monday, and look at your task and decide if you need to make changes, not make any changes, or just in general, how did you do on this task? Think about how your work looks. Think about what I'm saying on the feedback, and then go from there. So I'd like for you, I added comments to your work, so make sure you read those, and then I will go from there. So here's some feedback for you. Enjoy. Let me know if you have questions. I'll be in Zoom from 1 to 2:30. So see you soon. All right, here's number 6. Just go by number, that way it's easier for you to identify. The purple triangle was the original. It's called the pre-image. So there should be a purple triangle, um, and it was supposed to be pink. So, but I made pink and purple, so it's all confusing, huh? Okay, that was completely my bad. So, the purple triangle, it's kind of backwards. It's the original. So, here's what the purple triangle ended up looking like. Then I had to reflect it. The instructions were to reflect it over the x-axis. I made it purple because it said purple here, so a lot of confusion with purple and pink. So reflect over the x-axis. So what I did is I just went in and I looked at where B was. I highlighted where the x-axis was, and I flipped everything over the x-axis. For example, B was one space from the x-axis, so it moved down. C, it was pretty far down, 1, 2, 3. So I moved from the x-axis, I counted 3 up, and that's where I put the new C. A was down here, one space from the x-axis, so I moved it up. Everything's flipping backwards when you're doing reflection. So what I needed to do is make sure you have 2 figures or 2 images, the pre-image, the old one, and the image, the new one, in each problem. And another thing I've noticed is none of us, or I'm so sorry, some of us are not labeling the coordinates. This is C, this is A, and this is B. This is A prime, B prime, and C prime. Those are the ones with the apostrophe. So I needed to please go back and adjust, or not necessarily fix, because most of your graphing was pretty amazing. So label your coordinates. Make sure there's 2 figures on each one, on each of these shapes, and then that will be your task for today, Monday, April 20th. The area, we're going to leave it pending, but you were supposed to find the area for each one of these shapes. So if you're still on, and if you are able to think about what area means, please count the spaces inside the triangle. I'm not saying none of you found the area, but some of you did and some of you didn't. So if you were to count how many whole squares you can make inside combining pieces, then what would be the total area? From what I can see, I would approximate. It's not an exact number. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. This could be 6, 7. So I would say this is approximately 7 centimeters square. So that's your task. Go back, listen to the feedback, read the comments that I added, and just adjust your task. Make sure there's 2 figures, okay? And then everything's labeled. Everything has to have a letter so we know which one's the new one and which one's the old one. Enjoy. Have a great day.